Over hanging out with Nigo Chanel, like.
Big hard slime for real. Been on that grind for real. Big ass chop, lift it up and kill. I'm in the back and clutching the steel. Real cutting no slits my wrist. Bitch bites on my neck from fucking that bitch.
Why you
These niggas wanna step on your heels with your toes, they really be like I'm up in the sex, get that little boy out of here. The whole life on how he look like a deer. Worried about the run shit, I you niggas don't even. Worried about the run shit, you niggas be weird. Worried about the run shit, man, you niggas really just be grinding my gears. Yeah, I'm in it. Button in that bitch, you know I'ma click. Button on the Glock, you know I'ma click. Nothing that's shit, you know it be in. You know I be spittin'. I'm real rapper, you know I be spittin'. I'm no cabin, you know I be spittin'.
Nigga, who is wrong, nigga?
Glock on my MC, you know I be livin'. Glock on my MC, you know I'm with it. Glock on my MC, you know I be ready. Ready for anything, nigga, let's get it. If I have that bitch, you know I'm not miss. No, no cabin, no cap, I be kissing. No, no slating, it's not me, I hiss. Probably cabin, I'm taking a trip. Tryna do something different with my shit. And I like young niggas, they be so thin. You know they go be bitches down tick. So I don't fuck with them, just fuck them in dick. We take that boy out the mat, delete this look. We put that boy up in the air like a blunt. You wanna talk great, you gon' shut him up. You wanna be outside, we don't want. Treat that boy like that.